Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chip, and today I want to show you how I make my breakfast green tropical smoothie. This is a great way for me to start the day. It's light on my stomach, so if you're interested to see how I make this, then stay tuned. So let's start with the base. This is the base I use for any of my green smoothies. We're going to start with some distilled or filtered water, a good portion of green spinach. Make sure you wash your spinach before, and I like to use ground flaxseed to add some fiber, and lastly some ground ginger. If you have fresh ginger, I do recommend that because that tastes way better. And the blender I'll be using today is the Magic Bullet. This is the NutriBullet 900 series. I got this as a wedding gift, or we got it as a wedding gift, and we use it every day from just our protein shakes to our green smoothies. It works so great. So let's go ahead and fill up the cup with a good portion of spinach. I will leave the exact measurements in the description box below, but you just want to put in a good 3 handfuls. And then I'll be adding about a cup of water. This will just help blend down that spinach. And we'll add a good heaping tablespoon of the ground flaxseed. This is the golden milled. And about 4 to 5 shakes of ground ginger. Again, if you have the fresh, I would use the fresh. All right, we want to make sure that our top is nicely tightened. And you want to give this a shake. Attach it, and let's blend it all up. Okay, when that's all done, you'll be left with this green juice texture. And let's go over the ingredients for the tropical. So you'll need some pineapple, some strawberries. These are nice and fresh and vibrant. Love it. And then you'll need some banana. I'll only be using half of one banana, and some mangoes. Again, this is all fresh fruit, but you can definitely use frozen fruit as well. It works just the same. So I'm going to be doing about half a cup of the fruits. If you want more fruit, definitely add more. And I'll do about a good handful of strawberries. I love the taste of strawberries in this smoothie, so I like to add a little bit more. And again, this is half a cup of fresh mango. But please, if you don't have fresh, definitely use frozen. That is a great way to save on buying fruits and veggies. And I'm using half a banana. Now, I don't like to add a lot of fruits because I think it adds too much sugar, but if you still can taste the spinach and that bothers you, then add more fruit. Give this a good shake and blend it all up. And here you are, guys. This is how I make my breakfast green tropical smoothie. This is the best tasting smoothie for me. I absolutely love it. It's so refreshing and it's so light on my stomach. And if you want to go a little bit more extra, you can garnish this with some of that fresh fruit. But this tastes so good, and I just love the way that it's healthy but also very tasty. So I hope you enjoy. And if you have any recommendations for other green smoothies that I should try, leave me a little comment down below. I've left the recipe and all the ingredients in the description box, and I really hope you guys give this a try and let me know what you think. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.